Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can open an STL file in Anycubic Slicer. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a new project or you're building something right here. Basically just go ahead and open up your project, and there's two ways to do this. The first one is by right clicking on the plate itself. Click on Add Model, and from here it will now open the file manager. So you just want to look for the file or the STL file that you want to put onto Anycubic Slicer. In my case, I'm going to be putting this one, and voila, it's right here and ready to be used and added. Now the other way is by clicking on this Add option or pressing Ctrl-I on your keyboard. That will pretty much do the same thing, and basically from there, once again, we are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.